Meaning of God rest you merry, gentlemen.
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 God rest you merry, gentlemen. God rest you merry, gentlemen is an old Christmas carol that dates back to the 16th century. The phrase rest you merry has a similar meaning to keep you joyful or make you happy. The tune and lyrics of the carol convey a message of hope and comfort during the holiday season. The song encourages listeners to take solace in the birth of Jesus Christ and to rejoice in his arrival. Overall, God rest you merry, gentlemen serves as a reminder of the joy and peace that can be found during the Christmas season.